All right, starting this video off different, guys. I made some comments down below in the last video stating some things we're going to change. One of those is the tow rig. So you guys know, if you watched the previous episode, we were working on the tow rig. We got a lot of work done to that. There's a lot more work that needs done, and if we're going to hit April 2nd, bottom line, we're going to hit, both Cletus, Florida, Indy, Bristol. We want to go to ice cream cruise. We're going to try and make it out to Colorado as well. For James, we want to hit that show up for the free car event. If you didn't check that out, freecarevent.com. And then also there's some other shows, hopefully like Milwaukee will have some stuff. So bottom line, we're starting off this video in the shop that I think today one guy was here and did a little bit of cleaning. Whatever, it is what it is. But here's the scoop, guys. The Duramax that we have is getting sold. I actually found another Duramax that's a 2017, a lot newer, a lot less miles. But sometimes in life you got to make sacrifices. And if any of you guys have been with the channel, you know that I have a car that means a lot to me. And it really sucks to let it go. I was hoping this would be a car I would keep for a long time. But like I said, sacrifices got to be made. So what I'm getting rid of is my 2015 Mustang. If you didn't see it, here it is. It's a 2015 Mustang GT with a performance package 1 on it. I put the GT 500 bumper, had that painted. GT 500 carbon fiber hood. It's also got a Whipple supercharger, a Gen 2, makes over 600 horse to the wheels. It's got Velgen 20-inch wheels, front and rear. Tinted windows, been lowered. 6-speed, which, if you guys know anything about cars and follow them, manual transmissions are going to be a thing of the past, just like combustion engines are going to be a thing of the past. But there's a look at it. So it's going to be going, and I'll put a picture up, but Friday we're going to pick up the new tow rig, and we'll catch you then and show you that ride. All right, we're in the Mustang for the last time, guys. So we're heading to Waterloo to drop it off at the dealership. It's actually the same place I bought the car from, so that makes me feel good. He'll have it go to a new home, and I'm sure he'll have it treated right. But whatever he does with it, that's up to him. So I've got a few of them with me, a few kids.
Hi, I like bananas.
So they get the last ride in the car. Comedians as well.
I like
Yeah, a couple comedians in the back. But all right, well, maybe we'll get a little pull in on our way there eventually. But otherwise, we'll see you at the dealership, and we'll get our last look at it, and then we'll say goodbye. And then Friday, we'll head over to the dealership and pick up the new Duramax. All right, we just wrapped up paperwork on this new truck. Nate's, he's riding up front shotgun with me. We'll give you guys a little bit better look at this when we get home. We had some issues we had to work out, and there's still an issue with the truck. Not sure what it is. Maybe some of you guys know. Maybe it's nothing at all. But I do believe we have an issue with maybe a sensor or something on the motor. No check engine light, but we're going to eat with our sales rep here. Got him to buy us some lunch, so that's always good. So thank you to him. We're gonna eat, we'll head home, and I'll give you guys an overview of the truck. What are we doing?
Well, trying to get this turd running.
Out here working on the old IROC.
We got less about a month. We gotta get it running so we can go to burnout.
Well, he said it ran, so we shouldn't have much work to do anyways.
I wonder how the suspension is on this one.
Check the back, maybe.
Need some shocks in the back.
Looks better than other burnout Camaros I've seen.
Must be a bagel.
I'll see if she cranks over. We'll shoot her with some starting food. Yep, hold on. Alright, hold on, let me get something. Only the best.
Open the throttle up. Foot feet. Try it.
Yeah. like that. Sway bar end link's not even bolted up. This is still the best part right here.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that red drive shaft.
Mm-hmm. That's probably part of the 160 mile an hour club.
Oh yeah, we didn't show them that. Yeah, we got, this Camaro was part of the 160 mile per hour club. There we go. Here's our nice suspension. Oh, the bushings. Got a little bit of wear in your bushing there. Huh. Well, all in all, I guess. Small amount of rust on it.
Just connects like on here to right here. Look at this, it's like a smash. This hose is smashed.
Oh, that's why?
Kinked. Then that one's got a hole in it, probably. Right there, see?
Well, I mean, if it doesn't want to run good, I think maybe we should do something else then. I mean,
I don't know.
what are you thinking? Pull this out, or?
Shoehorn something in there.
It's kind of tight, but...
Fred Flintstone it.
Yeah, you do have, I mean, we looked at the bottom there. There's a little rust in the driver's floor, but I don't know. A little bit of room here. I think we got...
I don't know. What do you guys think? What should we do?
Yeah. Let's see. A or...
Nitrous or...
B? Let's go show them option B. Let's go show them that.
Yeah. It's 1,300 horse, 600 cubic inch truck pulling engine.
Okay, what are we looking at here, Jason? Is this option B?
Might be.
Because it kind of looks familiar. I mean, can you fit a big block in a Camaro?
You can try. 2 foot, all we need.
Well, we better take some measurements here, and we'll check, and then we'll make a decision. Man, who smeared all that silicone over the oil pan? The fuck?
Then I want it to leak.
Let's just tell him, Jason. What are we doing? I think if you guys haven't figured it out yet, the plan the whole time was we knew that Phoenix wasn't going to be ready with obviously having the shop fire and stuff. So Jason went and picked up this Camaro, long story short, with the intentions that, I don't know, we were going to get it done any faster than the truck. I don't know. We got a lot of work to do on that truck with the whole front clip and all that stuff. So that brings us to the Camaro, and we can't just go there with a 5.7. Yeah, nitrous is cool and everything, but what's cooler than nitrous? Blowers. I mean, come on. So we got, what do we got? We got basically a month because we want to leave towards the end of March to get to Florida. So month, we got plenty of time. You guys know we wait till last minute. So why we're starting a month in advance, I don't even know. What? Why are we starting a month in advance, Jason? Maybe because we got a lot of work to do, I guess.
Yeah, a little bit.
So the plan with this is we'll switch this back over. We're going to run mechanical pump off the camshaft as this motor was originally set up with. And this is all the original stuff to it, the blower and all that. This is the motor I ran in Death Trap for a few events when my motor was down. So we know it's a good running motor. But yeah, we're going to go tear the 5.7 out now and see if we can shoehorn this thing down in there. We got headers to work out. We got dry sump to work out. Full fuel system. We need to run that big hat you got too.
Yep.
So. All right. Well, we got a lot of work to do, so let's get started.
All right.
He doesn't zoom in enough.
Probably not.
All right, Jason's letting it down. We've got one motor mount bolt that's partially out down there. Did you get the other one out?
Yep, right here.
All right, so their motor mounts out already. Motor dropped down on the passenger side. Tranny's all unbolted. There might be some wiring, but that's all right. But at this point, a few hours into it, you guys know the deal. If you pull the motor, it doesn't take much when, I don't want to say you don't care about what you're pulling out, but snipping wires, cutting hoses. We just need to hook a chain on, maybe somewhere here. Find something on the back of the head on the other side, and yeah, let's yank this baby out. I think we need to get that blower motor out pretty soon here. It's not going to be tonight. It's already obviously dark outside and late, but it's Saturday, so maybe tomorrow. Got a few things to clean out in my shop. Maybe we can see about setting that in here and maybe just looking at it.
Just looking at it.
I think it's caught on that motor mount over there. You got a pry bar?
Yeah, let me look here.
Yeah, we can just pry up on that motor mount.
There we go.
Oh. Well, hell, you got the pry bar there. Jeez, scratch the paint up.
Right back on that training.
We need to drop that training mount.
We got training fluid leaked all over.
All right, well, after a little bit of work, we got the motor pulled out. So I think next step is obviously motor mounts out, all the heater box, master cylinder, brake booster. We need to figure out the steering rack, what we're going to do there. I think that's going to be kind of one of our major hurdles. Like to go manual rack, but that's pretty spendy, and we're on a fixed budget here. So fixed budget and a fixed timeline. So those are two major things we got to overcome. But yeah, I think at this point we're gonna remove those things, and then I think next install the blower motor. We got the transmission here.
Is it on that pallet over there with the blower?
I don't know. Jason's got all the money in the world to get this finished. March 29th.
We need to get the Kubota and fucking power wash this.
Yeah, we definitely want to get this baby detailed up.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know,
Get the
because
porta power in here and push this down.
yep. I mean, that other, what's that other car called? That Cleater McFarland or whatever? Toast? Well, bagels are definitely better than toast, so we're going to call this bagel. It's definitely got to be better than toast, so we definitely want to power wash it off.
Yep.
Maybe give her a little vice grip garage, a little give her the Derek touch, so.
Need some door handles we get in.
Oh, I was going to save that. Jeez. Hold on. Let me zoom in here. Where's your safety glasses?
I need a hat. I think my ear's bleeding.
Let me see.
No.
You got cauliflower here. There, that made a little bit more room. All right, made it back to my shop to record an outro for this video. I didn't get any footage of my Duramax. That's kind of where the video was leading to, and then took a turn over to my brother's shop. But things happen, you know, I just went with the flow. It is what it is. I'll put a picture up of the truck here, 17 Duramax, LT. It's got pretty much everything except leather and a sunroof, which is fine with me. That's gonna help us get to these events, which I will put in the description down below, what events we plan to make it to. So if you guys are happen to be at those, you know, we plan on taking the shirts and stuff with us if you guys want to pick one up there. And then the shop is totally out of commission at this point. All my power tools, anything with a cord, battery, have all been taken to a company to be professionally restored. Actually, the hoist has been removed, and that is getting replaced as well, along with obviously the air compressor things I mentioned before. So all the stuff is going to be professionally restored and back to us or replaced. And then we just got to keep making progress moving forward. If these guys can keep getting the shop cleaned up, we'll be back in here. But at this point, I'm strapped to one location. I got to travel there, and it's tough, you know. But yeah, I think that's going to wrap it, guys. Stay tuned for the big block blower Camaro burnout car build. This thing should be good. Short time span, lots of parts coming. We got to get this thing done so we can make it April 2nd. Florida, Bradenton. Bagel will be there. From the comments in the last video, we're kind of sticking with the bagel. I don't know why, because bagels are better than toast, obviously. So nothing against Cletus and toast, but bagels are better. So thanks again, guys. We'll see you in the next one.